Hello students, welcome back. In earlier video, we had learned the practice set 1.2 and in this video we will continue the practice set 1.2. Let's start. Practice set 1.2 question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. And there are two equations provided here. X plus y is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 9. We want to find out four order pair of each equations. So solution, consider equation first, that is x plus y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 3 here, then what is the resultant equation? That is, then x plus y is equal to 0. Instead of x we want to put here 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to what? Minus 3. That means when x is equal to 3, then what is the value of y here? Minus 3. If x is equal to 2, then x plus y is equal to 0 is what? 2 plus y is equal to 0. Why? Because instead of x we want to put here 2. Then y is equal to 0 minus 2. Therefore y is equal to what? Minus 2. That means when x is equal to 2, what is the value of y here? That is minus 2. Next, if x is equal to minus 1, then put this value to given equation, that is x plus y is equal to 0. So minus 1 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 plus 1. Why? Because minus 1 is in previous step. After changing the side of minus 1, it is in plus 1. Next, y is equal to 1. That means when x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of y here? That is 1. Next, if x is equal to minus 2, then x plus y is equal to what? Minus 2 plus y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 0 plus 2. Then y is equal to what? 2. Okay, that means when value of x is equal to minus 2, then what is the value of y here? 2. So after calculating these four order pair, construct one table. In that table, arrange the coordinates of x and coordinates of y axis here. So what are the coordinates of x here? When x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, what is the value of y here? Minus 3. What is the value of y here? Minus 3. Therefore, coordinates of first point is what? 3, minus 3. Okay. Next, when the value of x is equal to 2, then what is the value of y here? Minus 2. Similarly, arrange this table of remaining 2 points. Okay, 2 order pairs. So this is the 4 order pair of first equation. After that, we want to calculate the 4 order pair of second. 2x minus y is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 1, then what is the value of given equation is what? 2x minus y is equal to 9. Instead of x, we want to put here 1. 2 into 1 minus y is equal to 9. 2 into 1, that is 2 minus y is equal to 9. Then minus y is equal to 9 minus 2. After that, minus y is equal to 7, because 9 minus 2 is 7. Then y is equal to what? Minus 7. That means when the x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y here? Minus 7. If x is equal to 3, then put this value to the equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Then 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 9. That means 2 into 6 is what? 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 minus y is equal to 9. Next, minus y is equal to 9 minus 6. Minus y is equal to 3. That means y is equal to what? Minus 3. So when x is equal to 3, then what is the value of y here? Minus 3. This is the second order pair. Next, if x is equal to 2, then put the value of x in the given equation. Then 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 9. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to what? 9 minus 4. Then minus y is equal to 5. After that, y is equal to what? Minus 5. That means when x is equal to 2, what is the value of y here? Minus 5. Next, if x is equal to 0, then put this value to the given equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. That is 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 9. 2 into 0 means what? 0. 0 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9. Then therefore y is equal to what? Minus 9. Y is equal to minus 9. That means if x is equal to 0, then value of y here minus 9. Next, these are the 4 order pairs of the given equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 9. So arrange the one table in which the x and y coordinates are listed out. Okay. What are the x coordinates here? What are the x coordinates here? When x is equal to 1, then value of y is equal to minus 7. When x is equal to 1, value of y is what? Minus 7. When x is equal to 3, value of y is what? Minus 3. When x is equal to 3, value of y is minus 3. So accordingly, all these 4 pairs are arranged in one table. So next step is what? We want to draw the graph of the each equation. So first of all, draw the x-axis and y-axis. Next, draw the first point, that is 3, minus 3. 3, minus 3 is where? This. Okay. Next, 2, minus 2. 2, minus 2. Okay. Next point is what? Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 here. Okay. Next, minus 2, 2. Where it is? Here. Okay. So these are the 4 points of the first equation. So draw the line. Okay. Draw the line. Next, this is the line of equation 1. X plus y is equal to 0. This is the line of equation. Okay. Next, we want to plot the second equation points. Okay. First point is what? 1, minus 7. 1, minus 7 here. Okay. Next, 3, minus 3. Where it is? Here. 3, minus 3 here it is. Okay. Next, 2, minus 5. Where? 2, minus 5 here it is. Okay. Next, 0, minus 9. Here it is. Okay. So these are the 4 points of the second equation. So draw the line. Okay. And this is the line of equation what? 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay. Next, the two lines intersect at point 3, minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3 is the solution of simultaneous equations. X plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay. This is the equation of the first question. Solution of the first question. Next, we want to calculate, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So consider the first equation here, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. So if x is equal to minus 1, then what is the value of the y here? That is, put the x is equal to minus 1 in the given equation. 3 minus 1 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. When 3 into minus 1, then what is the answer? That is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Next, minus 4y is equal to minus 7 plus 3. Then minus 4y is equal to, when we want to calculate minus 7 plus 3, here subtraction is done and assign the sign of the biggest number. When we want to subtract 7 to the 3, that is 4 you get, okay, and what is the sign of biggest number here? That is minus, so therefore minus 4 is obtained, okay. Then 4y is equal to what? Minus 4. Then y is equal to minus 4 upon 4. Then minus y is equal to minus 1, okay. Then y is equal to what? 1. That means if x is equal to minus 1, then what is the value of y here? 1. Similarly, we want to calculate the second order pair. In the second order pair, what is the value of x here? Minus 5. So put minus 5 in the given equation. Then 3 minus 5 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15. Minus 15 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Then minus 4y is equal to minus 7 plus 15. Why? Because in previous step there is a minus 15. When we want to change the side of minus 15, then the 15 is in positive sign, okay. Next, minus 4y is equal to, what is the answer here? 8, okay. Next, y is equal to, minus y is equal to 8 upon 4. Then minus y is equal to 2. Then y is equal to what? Minus 2. So when x is equal to minus 5, then what is the value of y here? Minus 2, okay. Next, this is second order pair. We want to calculate the third order pair. In the third order pair, what is the value of x here? 3. Then 3 into 3 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Minus 4y is equal to 7 minus 9. Then minus 4y is equal to minus 16. Y is equal to what? 16 upon minus 16 upon 4. We want to, if we divide here, then what is your answer here? Minus y is equal to minus 4. When these two numbers are in negative sign, the answer should be positive, okay. That is y is equal to 4, okay. Next, if x is equal to 5, then 3 into 5 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3 into 5 is what? 15. 15 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Then minus 4y is equal to what? 7 minus 15. Minus 4y is equal to what? When 7 minus 7 minus 15, what is your result here? Minus 22. Next, y is equal to, minus y is equal to minus 22 upon 4. When we divide 22 by 4, then what is your result here? 5.5, because 4 5s are 20, remainder is 2. When we put here point, then 2 is converted into 20. Again 2 4 5s are 20. So result is what? Minus 5.5. Then minus y is equal to minus 5.5. Therefore y is equal to what? 5.5. So these are the four order pairs of the equation 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. So arrange the table accordingly, okay. This is the table of first equation, okay. Next we want to calculate the four order pair of second equation. So consider the equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then put the value of x to the given equation, that is 5 into 0 minus 2y is equal to 0. Then 5 into 0, 0 minus 2y is equal to 0. Next, minus 2y is equal to 0 minus 0, then minus 2y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to, minus y is equal to what? 0 upon 2, that is y, minus y is equal to 0, okay. Next, if x is equal to 2, put x is equal to 2 in given equation. 5 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. Then 5 into 2 is what? 10. 10 minus 2y is equal to 0. Then minus 2y is equal to 0 minus 10. Then minus 2y is equal to what? Minus 10. When minus 2 change the side, it goes in division of minus 10. Then y is equal to what? Minus 10 upon minus 2. When we do here division, what is the value of y here? That is 5, because 2 5s are 10. Next, if x is equal to minus 2, then put the value of x to the given equation. Then x is equal to minus 2. Then the given equation is what? 5 into minus 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. 5 into minus 2, what is the result? That is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to 0 plus 10. After that, minus 2y is equal to what? 10. Y is equal to 10 upon 2. That is minus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to what? Minus 5. This is the third order pair of the given equation. We want to calculate the fourth order pair similarly. When x is equal to 1, then put the given value to the given equation, that is 5 into 1 minus 2y is equal to 0. 5 into 1, 5 minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to what? 0 minus 5. Y is equal to minus 2y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to what? Minus 5 upon 2. Then y is equal to 2.5. Okay. When we divide the minus 5 by 2, then what is your result here? 2.5 minus 2.5. Then y is equal to what? 2.5. So these are the four order pairs of the given equation, that is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So construct the table accordingly. And next step is what? We want to draw the graph. Okay. First of all, draw the x-axis and y-axis, and after that plot the points. What is your first point here? That is minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. Okay. Next, minus 5 comma minus 2. Minus 5 comma minus 2. Where it is? Here. Okay. Next, 3 comma 4. Okay. 3 comma 4. Where it is? Here. Okay. Next, 5 comma 5.5. 5 comma 5.5 near about here. Okay. So draw the line. Okay. So this is the line of equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay. Next, 0 comma 0 here. Next, 2 comma 5 here. Okay. Next, minus 2 comma minus 5. Minus 2 comma minus 5, where it is? Here. Okay. Next, 1 comma 2. 2.5. 1 comma 2.5 near about here. Okay. So draw the line which passes through all these points. Okay. So draw it. Okay. This is the line of equation. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So the two lines intersect at which point? That is 1 comma 2.5. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to what? 2.5 is the solution of the simultaneous equations. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7 and 5x plus minus 2y is equal to 0. So in this way we want to draw the graph of linear equations and find out the value of x and y variable. Okay. So this is the detailed information related to the graphical representation of linear equation. Thank you.